Welcome to SweetTube Academy. I'm Marcia, and today we're diving into the world of custom transfers. Okay, let's head over to Canva, click Create, then go to Units and Inches, in width 8.5, height 11, and click Create a New Design. Once here, go to Elements, type out Cross, and scroll to the one that you like, preferably a free version of it. I'm going to use a pro version. This cross is my favorite one. And bring it to 0.8 and in height 1 inch. Then copy and paste it. I can get 7 across easily. So now we're going to just move them. And don't worry about distributing them. We will take care of that now. Just click outside of the box or click all of them, position, then horizontally and vertically if it's an option. And then group it, copy and paste, and we can fit 4 down. So we're going to use 4 1-inch crosses. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to go to 2-inch crosses. And the way that you do that is copy paste and then pull one of the corners until you see 2 inches. And then we're going to ungroup it, delete that one that you can see, and select all of them and group them. Copy and paste, and we can fit 3 down. And practically this is our transfer sheet. It's really simple. All you have to do is just grab one of the elements and copy and paste to the size that you want. Align it to your page. And then I suggest when you go to download it as a PDF file. So you don't have to do any resizing, importing it in any other program. And at the top, just write out whatever the transfer's name is. I hope this helped. Happy baking, guys.